Folks, come on over. I'm going to show you where I'm at with the big Christmas takedown. Thought it'd be fun right here on my take on Home and Garden. Okay guys, hey, I'm going to give you a tour of the house and where I'm at, vlog style. Let's check it out. Okay guys, so I thought I'd start out a little different and just start out in the bedroom. Not in a hurry to take the Scottish tree down. It makes such a beautiful evening night light for a while. Here you can see our Romanian tree is down. So keep in mind, I do this alone. Everybody else is at work or in school. This dresser, you'll see 2 drawers just cracked open. That means I still have a little room left in there. So these are full of porcelain and breakables. And when it starts looking like this compared to before, it just looks so funny and bare to me. If you remember how it looked at Christmas time. So there is a little bit left. And of course, putting things away is just like a giant puzzle here. I can't bring anything out until something is removed. I can't remove anything until I have somewhere to put it. So, you see our Greek tree is down and everything off it as well. That's just about the big deal here in the bedroom. Still enjoying the Christmas bed for this year. And the Mark Roberts Santa. Couple of arrangements left, and again enjoying the Scottish tree. Everything's on a timer. I don't like bypassing timers. Let's go see the rest. Not much has changed in the loft, so we're not even going to bother there. I have just started taking a few things. And the stair garland, the tops, and the owls have been removed. Never in a hurry for the main tree to come down. She'll probably be up another 10 days. All the trimmings here, this will come down very soon, this weekend. And everything above the entry door. Even the wreath has been thinned down. Arrangements put away. And we thought this year too, we would do a non-seasonal home tour before I put anything out at all. We thought it'd be really bare, minimal, and pitiful, but some people might just, you know, drop their teeth over it, because that's what they like. So we thought we'd give that little shock factor and do that for once. Not a lot done in the living room, except pulled out a bunch of boxes and trays and bins. And this is Monday's video, and I want to tell you, we have to do Wednesday, we're going to do an unboxing. We just got back, Angela got back from the post office yesterday, which was Thursday, okay? This is what was at the post office. Our P.O. box. No exaggerating. This is all unopened. So we're going to do an unboxing video for Wednesday. Then by then I'll have something done so we can decorate for winter. At least something. Alrighty. Let's head through and check out the real changes and the real work that got done. Now the nice Victorian Santas, they're all bagged up to keep the dust off. Here you can see, some of you have been with us and seen this, some haven't. But to be organized, I love the clear bins. You can see what's in them. You don't have to write all over them or label them. And I've said that since we've started our channel. Here's poinsettias organized. There's different whites and ferns and poinsettia, Santas and gnomes. Okay, and here's where you can really see when I take the big floor arrangements apart, they go right in these bins, the big extra long bins, to keep your things nice. This one's for boxwood, garland, and the magnolia, the red magnolia, frozen. Here's another big bin of red, berries, wisteria, and frozen poinsettia. Right there. So we've got 6 trees down with, when I say down, mostly all down, everything taken off, and we'll get a different angle on things. And Angela has been able to take her French patisserie down for the most part, which is a huge help. And I'm in charge of organizing and putting it away. Not much left here. Even the lights are off the tree. So we have a big bin of fruit, garland fruit, frozen holly. We have red berry bin. There's more than one of them. This bin, by the time it's done, it will be just full of bells. You can see the different decorator bells. Big white pine and pine cone picks. Smaller assorted picks with berries and pine cones. Smaller picks assorted, and even some smaller garland. Now you remember that haul, we got those nice, extra nice Christmas boxes. That's where I'll put the vintage ornaments, and like all the owls we've been getting are going in something like this, extra nice. That goes up in our linen closet, and nothing touches it, bumps it, hits it. There's no heat on it. I wanted to ask you folks in the know if you remember what they used to call a candle hugger. If you miss these at the home tour at Christmas time, I just think they're fabulous and I wanted to show them again. My mom had a little pair of these. I have one of hers and it's broke. So I made a mission of it this year to get a pair, and these are bigger, that aren't broke. Now Santa's collected up all the owls and they're anxious to get back and get out of here as well. Look how funny this pan is here. Angela came home and she went, oh my goodness, what happened? It's pretty funny. And again, never in a big hurry to put the nativity away. Just extra enjoyment out of seeing that as usual. This cupboard is jamming, slamming, full of Christmas, gingerbread houses, decor, teapots, coffee pots, gingerbread and peppermint items in that hutch. Now we're going to have to figure out what I'm going to decorate for winter and make it different for you. Here's our beautiful flocked small needle fir tree with everything off it except the lights. And the fireplace is stripped down to just the big swags that I like to use on top of there. You see the new Nordic ornaments bought this year are going to go together in bins like this. I've got 1 or 2 more bins to do and 2 are full. And that's this whole tree. Let's get over to the real work. Now, typically, wherever I had things, that's where I take it down and that's where you're going to see it. This is not from all over the house. This is just what I had here in the music room, the dining room, and the breakfast room areas. Here you can see bigger bins and fruit picks. Okay, I really love to show off the organizing because when people get short, like they don't know what they're doing, and why would you do all that? How can you keep that all? Well, I'm showing you how. This makes it fun. It's organized. It's not a headache when you put it away like this. Gold picks, red berries and green, bird picks and bird nests, red berries again. Okay, here's a little, I know there's a lot of thrifty folks out there. I'll get the soft peppermints, candies, and we'll all enjoy them. Then I've got a container for nothing. Here's pine picks with cones. All the ribbon is straightened out and re-rolled up and put in ribbon boxes, which you saw upstairs. This is the last of the cloth teaks to be put away that were out this year. It's only 4. 4 left. We have garland, different garland. We have Irish Santas all packed in a bin, standing up Nothing bumps them, touches them, hurts them. And here's a couple more, and our Nordic Santas all together in the bigger bin. The only reason these bins lids aren't snapped on is so I can show you before I do it. Here's an assortment of red that I use for Christmas time, berries, viburnum. Now here's a big, longer bin of just holly and berries, a little bit of boxwood, and this is all gold in this bin. Acanthus, poplar, berries, and bear sticks, and whips, and what else? Fern in there. This bin is just antlers. Oh, something dropped in there. Just antlers in that one. This is frozen cypress. Frosted blue poinsettia. The frosted blue holly. Here is one bag of pine cones. Big pine cones. Big bag. Okay, we'll get, because they're a made up pair with a ribbon and a bow, they'll go in that. Big turban and extra large ornaments. The green is layered underneath with bubble wrap in between. More giant pine cones, and there's more to collect around the house. Here's Angela's neat and tidy job from her French tree. And here's the collection of getting things rounded up and put back in their trays so they don't get broke. That, folks, is just about the whole shamil. Yeah, I figure I better show you what I'm cooking for supper. I call it Dad's pork loin, pot roast, potato fingers underneath, pepper and onion mix, olive oil, and just an all-season. Good heavens, the smell here. I can't wait to eat. And Angela's on her way home. Well guys, hopefully you enjoyed that and it was kind of informative and fun for you. Check it out. If you liked it, give us a like, a share, a comment, send a friend over. And let us know if you've got some organizing tricks that you'd like to share, and let the community see your comment too. Alrighty, hey, we're going to be back with an amazing unboxing of the last of the Christmas gifts that come into the post box. Even Christmas cards still. The fellas must have really been dragging or behind with the post this year. See you soon. Blessings, and we're going to have a lot of fun this year. Bye, everyone. Come by Wednesday.